Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. Guys, today we're going to be doing a blooming onion. You guys have all seen that big, beautiful, blooming Outback Steakhouse onion. That is fantastic. But guess what, guys? It's quick, simple, and easy. Just takes a little know-how, and I'm going to show you just how to do it today. Guys, that will make a great appetizer. It's football season if you're sitting around watching the game on the TV, or you can pair it with a steak. Come on now. All right, let's get busy. Okay guys, well the main thing you're going to need is a nice big onion. Now this is just a yellow sweet onion. You can really use any kind, but this is a yellow sweet onion, but you want it to be big so that it'll bloom really beautiful. You're gonna need 2 eggs. This is about a couple of cups of flour, just regular flour, about a half a cup of milk, and seasonings. You're going to need seasonings. I have cayenne pepper, paprika, thyme, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, and sea salt. Now you may be saying, oh my God, that's a lot of seasonings. You want to season this bad boy up so it can taste fantabulous. Now if there's a seasoning that I have that you don't like, you know, if you guys don't like the heat, don't put the heat in. If you don't like the Italian type of flavors, then you can skip the oregano and thyme or put some Italian seasoning in there. Mix it up, make it your own. That's the beauty of it. Okay, guys, so the first thing we're going to do here is get our onion all prepared. Now we want to leave this little fuzzy part right here, which is technically the roots. You leave that on. That's going to keep your onion intact. On the other end, you want to make a slice, not too far up, but a good amount, because you want to make sure that it's going to lay flat. So we're just going to cut this off, cut it as even as you can, so that it can then lay flat. Then we're just going to peel this skin off of here that we don't need. We won't want that skin on there. So you just want to get that off. Get all of that skin off of there. And this is the way it should look after you've gotten that skin and everything off. Okay, and I am missing my towel, which I need to clean up. Give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Now you want to start close to this part, but not all the way up, maybe about a half of inch down. You want to make sure that you don't cut it too far up, or your petals, is what I like to call them, will fall off. So we're going to go in here, try to go in towards the middle so you can get all those layers. And you want to slice straight down. Then we're going to go around again, do the same thing, slice straight down. And you want to do this all the way around your onion. All the way around, guys. Oh, sorry for that banging noise, but I guess that's part of it. Okay. So we've got those slits in there all the way around. Now we're going to go in between each of those slits just a little bit further down. And it doesn't have to be perfectly even or anything, guys. It doesn't have to be perfectly even. And I think we just about have it there. Yeah, see? And just pull it apart just a little bit with your fingers, not too much. Not too much. Not too much. Let me get this wiped again. Pull it apart a little bit because you're going to have to get in there. And then in the very center, guys, there's like a core in there. And if you can get that out, that'll be fantastic. If not, it'll come out later. There's a little bit of it right there. Sometimes it comes out easy and sometimes it doesn't. But that's okay, we'll get it out, we'll get it out. That's just so that in the end, you'll be able to sit your sauce in there, guys. Sit your sauce in there. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our onions. Let's set the big onion aside. We're not going to take our onions. Guys, these are not onions. These are eggs. OMG. We're going to take our eggs, get them mixed up right quick. Two eggs. And we're putting this in with our milk. You want to make sure that this is whisked together really well, guys. Whisk this together really well. Okay, set that aside. And next, let's prepare our flour. Okay, this is where we add in our seasonings, guys. You want to season up that flour. That's going to give it amazing taste. No rhyme or reason how you put them in. This is our onion powder. Let me open up the other side. Onion powder. You want to put a good amount of everything in. This is our garlic powder. Cayenne. I'm going to go in with the cayenne, but not very much. So I'm the only one that's going to really like the heat. A little oregano, little thyme, some paprika, and sea salt. Okay, guys, we're going to get this all mixed together. All right, so we have our seasoned flour, we have our egg mixture, and we have our onion. And we have a couple of spoons here because we're going to need those. And get in here with your hands, guys. It doesn't matter. We just need to get this done. We want to sit the onion inside the flour. Make sure you're getting in these petals, guys. You're going to be putting flour all over it. I would suggest using a bowl. It's a little easier if you have everything in a bowl, so that you won't waste it too much. Okay, but just make sure you get it in between the petals. That's the most important thing, guys. You need that flour down in between the petals. So just get in there, use your hands and get it in there, yes. And if you can see that core as you're doing this and get that core out of there, that works too. Okay. Yeah, otherwise you'll be able to get it out later. Just make sure it's all well coated, guys. Well coated with this flour. And that the petals are opening up so that you can get that flour down in there. And it's okay to separate the petals with your hands a little bit and get it in there. This is fun, guys. This is amazing. And when people see this, they be like, oh my God, you made that? You're like, yes. So then you want to turn it over. Do the same thing on the other side. Get it turned over, do the same thing on this side. Make sure you don't break your petals though, so be a little gentle, be a little gentle. Okay, guys, all right. Okay, sit this down, make sure my egg mixture is mixed, so I like to kind of beat it again. That over there. I'm gonna just switch these so that I can work with this right in front of me. Now you want to take your onion and just shake it a little bit, guys. Get the extra out. Get the excess out. Just shake it a little bit. Just shake it a little bit, guys. Shake it a little bit. Okay, guys. And then we're going to go ahead and put this in here again. I like to put it face down first. And we're going to coat this bottom part with the egg mixture. Turn it over a little bit. And guys, I have to get in here with my hands. I have to get in here with my hands. Yes. Okay. Make sure that egg mixture is getting all down in there. This is going to help coat it. If you need to pull the petals just gently a little bit, so you make sure you're getting this egg mixture in there, by all means do it. Yes. Awesome and amazing. All down in there, guys. All down in there. Make sure you pull that. Make sure you get that all down in there. You need that egg in there. You need that egg in there, guys. And once this egg is cooked, this onion is cooked, that core will come on out of there too. And you don't absolutely have to pull the core out of there. Just, you know, this is a copycat recipe, so we want to make sure we put the sauce in the middle if we can. If we can, guys, if we can. All right. Okay, so now, guys, we've got this all coated in our egg mixture. We're going back in the flour, so I'm switching again. And don't worry about the mess, guys. We can clean that up. We can clean that up. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Okay. So now, back with the flour again. Back with the flour again. Yes, I'm going in with my hands, guys. I'm going in with my hands. Because guess what, guys? I can wash my hands when I'm all done. I can wash my hands when I'm all done. Make sure you get the backside coated really well as well. Yes. This is looking amazing, amazing, amazing. If you could smell this, oh my goodness, guys, if you could smell this. Now we're going to go in and shake the excess out. Get that out of there, guys. You want the extra out of there. Might have to separate them a little bit just to get that extra out of there so you won't have any clumps. You won't want any clumps in there, guys. So get that extra out. And be gentle, be gentle. Don't want to tear your petals. Don't want to tear your petals. Okay, guys, now this needs to go into the refrigerator or freezer. I'm going to put mine in the freezer. If you have quite a bit of time, a couple of hours, you can put it in the refrigerator, but I'm going to put mine in the freezer for maybe about 30 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, while our blooming onion is in the freezer, we're going to make our dipping sauce, guys. We're going to make our dipping sauce, and there's only 3 ingredients in that, so let's get busy. Okay, guys, we're going to make our dipping sauce. Now, this particular dipping sauce, this is a copycat recipe, typically uses mayo, a hot sauce, and ketchup. But guys, guess what? I do not like ketchup. Nope, chef does not like ketchup, so I am using a steak sauce in mine. And this is my take on it. It's a copycat. So let's do it chef's way today, guys. Let's do it chef's way. Okay, I'm gonna put some mayo in there. Put in our steak sauce, some of it, and hot sauce. And this is Lawry's. Okay, you guys know what I mean, the one that begins with L. For some reason, I can't not say it today. And you do this according to your taste, guys, according to your taste. The steak sauce already has garlic and black pepper in it. That's why I chose it, because that typically would go in this sauce. You just want to make sure it gets to the right color that you want. The right color that you want. And just continue to stir it. And that's it. That's all there is to it. And I think we are pretty much ready to get this onion cooked. So we'll be right back. Okay, guys, our oil is all set up here. And what we're going to do is we're going to put I'm going to use this. It's a little basket thing. If you have anything large and flat, that's what you want to do, because we're going to put this in upside down first. So I'm going to lift it up, turn them over, gently, 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 gently. Put them on here and slide them in. Now I'm using my hands. Be careful. Be careful, be careful, be careful. But you want to get them in there. Okay. And if you can see that bubbling up, that's what you want. You want to make sure your oil is hot enough. Then we'll turn it over. We will turn it over after about 2 or 3 minutes, guys. After about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, we're going to let it cook over there. And if you can see this, I'll put this here because that's next. When we finally take it out, we're going to put it over here so that it can drain. This is a cooling rack. We're going to let it drain on here. So we're going to let this cook and we'll be back. Okay, guys, as you see, it's bubbling along. It's bubbling along, and I think it's ready to turn over. So I'm going to use 2 things, guys. So make sure if you do this, you might want to make sure you have either use your fingers or a spoon or something to help you get this bad boy turned over. All right. Oh, look at that, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So we're going to let it cook a couple of minutes on this side and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, it looks like our blooming onion is ready to come out. Oh my God, if you guys could smell this. Gently, gently, gently. I'm going to get up under here. Lift it up. And guys, be gentle, be gentle, be gentle. But this is where we're going to turn them upside down so that that oil can drain out of it. But you need to be gentle. You need to be gentle. Upside down. Of course, it's hot, so be careful, be careful, be careful. Okay, so we're going to let it sit like this for a few minutes. Let it drain, then we'll be back. Okay, guys, we are all done, and this looks amazing. Look at that, guys. Delicious. Oh, my goodness. Yes, guys, this is our blooming onion. Isn't it beautiful? It's just gorgeous, guys. Just gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous, guys? We're getting ready to taste this, guys. All you need to do is pull off a piece. Pull off a piece. Let me sit this down so I can really pull off a piece. Yes. I'm gonna dip this in the sauce. Crunchy and crispy. I need another piece, guys. Dip it in the sauce, guys. Oh my goodness. You guys have got to try this. You got to try and let me know, guys. It is amazingly delicious. If you have not subscribed, guys, please take a moment. Subscribe to the channel. Tap the bell so you'll be notified when we do beautiful dishes like this. Leave me some comments and share me out, guys. Sharing is caring. I so do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I also have channel memberships, guys, so feel free to join Chef and Moore's Dream Green Team. All right, guys. I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.